Instagram just did it again. Another update nobody asked for. If you opened Instagram today, you probably noticed a weird new icon sitting right inside your DMs. That right there is Instagram's latest feature called Instant. And yes, before you ask, it is basically a copy of Snapchat. The next few seconds, I am going to show you exactly how to turn it off and get your inbox back to normal. Step 1. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner and open Settings. Step 2. Scroll down until you see Content Preferences. Tap on that. Step 3. Inside Content Preferences, look for the option that says Hide Instance in Inbox. Turn that on. Done. That icon is gone. Your DMs are back to normal. And if you ever want to try out the feature later, just go back to that same toggle and switch it off. Like the video if this helped. And next, go watch how I'm turning Instagram into an actual income stream. It is right there on your screen.